I almost didn't record this video because of how I'm feeling today. But when I remember my subscribers are expecting a new video, I had to shake body and say, oh yeah, let's do this. I'm experiencing a disconnection towards someone I respect and cherish. I don't know how to place it, but it hurts. Well, maybe it's God telling me something, sha. Sorry I'm boring you with my stories, oh. I live alone. I don't have anybody to gist with. So I might as well gist with my subscribers. Okay, let's get into the business of today. So in today's video, we'll be making green plantain porridge with zero oil and a unique ingredient. I'm using plantain, tomato, bell pepper, cabbage, green peas, onion, and our unique scent leaf. I will show you in a bit why it is unique. Start off by washing all your veggies. Once you're done, cut them into unique sizes. Now for the scent leaf, add it into the blender. Blend it till smooth. By the time you are blending it, the atmosphere in the house must change. I will show you why we blended it anyway. Now let's cook. We need to cook our plantain. I added little salt and pepper flakes. Cover it and let it cook. There was almost no water in it because I wanted the porridge thick. Then I added the unique ingredient. I mashed it up a bit. Season it. Gosh, look at that. Now add all your vegetables and mix it on a low heat. Please, please, do not overcook the veggies. Believe me, guys, this food came out very delicious. I almost could not wait to eat everything. Naturally, plantain is sweet. Adding it with scent leaves is sweeter. The aroma in the house can't be resisted. Then adding other veggies into it is the sweetest. So in one meal, we have sweetest. Come on, guys. Try this, guys. This is healthy and filling. You can eat yours with chicken or fish, but I had mine alone. Excuse me.